What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the PALONE Solar Electric Bug Zapper. Now, it's not often that I review solar bug zappers, so we are going to get right into it. All right, first thing that comes out is the instructions. Gotta love it. We have a big solar panel. Well, not real big, but it's big enough and it's heavy. And y'all know on our channel we review bug zappers a lot, and we do have a lot of these. So this is what you use to clean inside of the grid. Look like we have another charger right here, I believe. Alrighty. Oh, and it has a solar on. Okay, so it's solar on top, and we have another solar here. Interesting. We have a peg right here, or a stake peg, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. This is interesting. You charge this thing twice, I believe. I guess. I'm assuming, you guys. Don't quote me on nothing yet. All right, so there you go. Now, if you look at the top, you have the solar panels. They gave you an extra solar panel. We will figure it out. They have an on and off switch right here. Okay, so I just seen it light up, and I definitely don't want my hands around, but this is probably one of the first zappers I've seen that's well protected, you guys. Usually it's a little bit closer than that, but it's a little bit further away. Usually on the bottom is the tray where you empty. So let's see, we turn it left, and yep, this is definitely the tray where you empty the bugs. All right, you guys, now what I want to do is leave this out in the sun. I will leave it out for tonight. This is in Dutch. All right, English. I'm gonna let it charge. I might leave this out front, or I might leave it, well, I'm losing sunlight now, so I might just leave it out front for now. But the way this thing is coming off to me is you have to charge it. This is 4,500 volts, you guys, so it's a pretty powerful just for being a solar. Usually the solar ones I reviewed is like 600 volts, or I haven't even seen a solar one that goes 1,000 volts unless I wasn't looking. Maybe y'all know of some, but it says how to charge. There are 3 power supply modes: solar panel, power supply, USB plug-in power supply. So this is the USB plug-in power supply, solar power supply, and it says battery power supply built in on the top of the lamp. So it's saying it's built in as well. Give me like maybe 2-3 days maybe with this thing, and then I could come up with some final results for y'all. All right, everyone, good morning, good morning. Now we are out here with the zapper, and we are going to check it out. So we do have some bugs on here. You see bug right there. Believe they moths. Got some down there. Now I could look in the tray from here, which is very good. So I could actually see what's in the tray. So it's not that many bugs in the tray, but you know, it's getting cooler out here, so don't have that many bugs. And y'all know I am like bug zapper crazy, so I don't really have too many bugs. And also I'm ready to spray the lawn again with some bug control, and we still have it on. So just to let you know, the unit is still on in this mosquito mode. If I block the panel up here, it comes on. When I let go, you see it goes off. So you can actually leave it on the zapper mode. I don't know if you leave it off, will it charge faster? Maybe, I'm not sure. My zapper is getting a little bit more shade. I might put it on that corner down there to get more sun. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. Turned out pretty well. Another zapper in my arsenal to where I can actually set it up anywhere I want. And I actually appreciate the zapper because, to be honest with y'all, for a solar zapper to be 4,000 volts is very impressive. All right, everyone, so I had this out here for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I want to say that this thing does its job, you guys. It does its job. It stays on most of the night. Right now it's the winter time, so we're not going to get those real strong sun rays. So if you need to charge it, you know you got basically 3 different ways to charge this thing. And I want to say I love the solar bug zapper because you can put this thing anywhere you want. So if I want to put it out there in the field, in the middle of the field, I will be good to go. I already have like a little hook thing. It's on the planter right there, so I already have a hook thing for it. So yeah, that's about it with this solar zapper, and I'm excited. Hopefully some more solar zappers come in, and that will be all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.